Hello everyone, here is Vintage Lego Toys. And I've here today a very special item. This item is a Lego wooden anvil. And this anvil has the set number 516. On this side of the anvil you can see actually here a logo in almost perfect condition and a very cool and unique shape of an anvil. On this side, the back side, you can see not really much, but I was very surprised by the slim shape here of the anvil. I thought it would be a lot bigger. On this side of the anvil, you can see it sadly, here is a little bit of wood missing. But overall, the shape and the color of the anvil is in very, very good condition. On the front, you can see here a typical anvil shape, and down here, a part of the mechanism. And I will show you this mechanism here. You can see when I actually hammer the bolt at the top of the anvil inside, there plops out another bolt at the front. And this was a very, very cool mechanism that is also a bit relaxing to do. So, I hope you enjoyed that video about the Lego wooden anvil and the function, and I hope we see yes.